Spicy Southern fried chicken and waffles. 2 cups of buttermilk, 1 cup of pickle brine, 1 3/4 cups of white all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper, 4 tablespoons of 4-play dinosaur barbecue rub, a cup and a half of cooking oil, a package of our sugar-studded Belgian waffles, Mike's Hot Honey, and a large chicken breast. Once out of the package, we're going to make the cutlets. Hold the knife at an angle and use long, thin slices in order to create cutlets that are of the same thickness. It's time to give our chicken cutlets a southern bath. Go ahead and combine the buttermilk and pickle juice into a bowl and stir it up. Place the chicken cutlets back in the bowl and let them soak for a minimum of 30 minutes. An hour would be nice. Let's dredge our chicken. Start by combining the seasoned flour and the dinosaur barbecue 4-play rub into a bowl. Stir it around until it's all combined. Next step is simple. Simply dunk the chicken cutlets into the buttermilk mixture, then into the flour mixture. Roll it around and make sure it coats entirely the whole thing. Dust it off and then put it back into the buttermilk for a second dip, and then back into the flour. Then we're ready to put it onto the platter. That double dip takes an extra step, but it really makes the difference between good fried chicken and not so good fried chicken. And that dinosaur barbecue rub really makes the difference. These things are spicy. Now let's pop our waffles into a hot oven. I placed it at 350 degrees. All we need is about 5 minutes to toast them up. Okay, let's get to frying. Start by putting olive oil into a pan and slowly bring it up to about 325 degrees. Then we can gently lay the chicken breasts into the pan and just let them sit on one side for about 4 to 5 minutes. You may need to adjust your flame a little bit. You don't want it to get too hot. If you see white smoke, you must turn it down a little. Once the Belgian waffles are done, we're going to pull them out of the oven. These things are delicious. They're studded with these large chunks of sugar and toasty, crispy on the outside and light and fluffy on the inside. After about 4 or 5 minutes, we turn them over and they're beautifully golden brown on one side. So we'll let them cook in that same pan for about the same amount of time on the other side, and we should be ready to plate. Quickly temp your chicken, make sure you're at 165 degrees or higher, and then it's time for plating. Simply stack the chicken on the waffles and alternate. After you're done, we're going to garnish our chicken and waffle dish with Mike's Hot Honey. Just to finish now, we're going to drizzle some of Mike's Hot Honey over the top of this creation. It is absolutely a spectacular choice. This is a really terrific product available at the direct-to-you market. Goes on everything that's sweet and savory. Comes with a little kick too. I think you're going to love it. Finally, garnish with a few dill pickle chips and you're ready to enjoy spicy Southern country fried chicken and waffles with hot honey and pickles, only here at Palmer's Direct-to-You Market.